So, pulled up the slate, or I want the deck to go. The first thing I need to do is get this big boxwood out of the way. I've been working on this for most of the morning, and I bumped into some really big roots. You can see it right over there. It came from this spruce tree that we had taken down a couple years ago. So I'm going to go ahead and make that the level of the deck, obviously. And I'll go out 9 feet. And it'll be about 17 feet wide. It's fall. Tobana plants are about done. And even the dam crepe myrtles have stopped flowering. Been digging holes. Got the holes down for the post. Put about 2 bags of concrete down here. Still be easily a foot plus underwater. Put some rebar in there as well too, halfway in the concrete. These stairs gotta go. That was the worst part. That root right there. That's probably 8 inches or 10 inches. Went right smack during the middle of my hole. Of course. This starts to be the scary part, tearing to the siding for the house, but I think I finally figured out where the leak under this door is. And the 6x6 have been in the ground for about a week now, so I know that they're all in good shape. Obviously the stairs are gone now. Probably overkill on the ledger board, but went ahead and put a bottom row into the concrete blocks as well. So I can now start to put on the joist hangers and put the joist on. Everything is framed out. Last thing I need to do before I put the floor down is put the 4x4 post in for the railing. Gives a different perspective to our backyard. The deck is done. Not sure if you can see the LED lights during the day for the steps, and I left them partially open because it's important for our dogs in training to learn how to walk with an open step like this. Yeah, I think the lights are visible. And I've got the LED string lights on now too, but I don't think they're really, there you can see it on. things take me about 10 times longer to do because I gotta think about it. Do it in my head about 10 times before I actually commit. Measure twice, cut once. Well, think 10 times, measure twice, cut once should be my saying. But I'm real happy with the way it came out. Very cool at night.